Hey 30-minute marketers. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to create a free landing page for your affiliate offers. This is going to be a free funnel builder that I'm going to show you. So if you're new to the channel, I'm Gary Baker and I'm here to show you how to do more to mark your message in less time. To do that, check out the links in the description and the pinned first comment for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint that you can use to start your own online business today. Remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus. And today we're focused on building landing pages and funnels for affiliate offers and doing it for free. So with that, let's jump over to the computer. And as you can see here, I'm inside of my Funnelit account and I'm simply here to show you the idea and the concept of what I'm talking about, so we're on the same page and you're 100% clear on what I'm talking about here when I'm talking about building landing pages and building free funnels and having a free funnel builder. So you can see here inside of Funnelit, they show you tons and tons of examples of funnels that are being currently used on the internet today by big name brands, as well as the typical or the standard webinar funnel, product sales funnel, lead magnet funnels, and then you can go down through here and you can see other funnels from like digital marketer.com secrets. And the point here is simply that you need something to build these pages. For example, you need your squeeze page, your thank you page, you need a download page, and you do this with a funnel builder. For example, you do this with a ClickFunnels or a Builderall. What I'm going to show you today is neither one of those, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can get it for free. So first, let's jump over and take a look at the funnel builder that I'm talking about. So here we are inside of the GrooveFunnels GroovePages funnel builder, and again, you can get this for free. The link is in the description, so check that out. But what you can do here is you can create 3 funnels with unlimited traffic, and you can do this all for free. So you simply, once you register for your free account, you simply log in and you're able to create a new site. And to do that, when you create the new site, you just click New Site. It'll come up with a blank template, or you can select from one of the templates that they give you. Of course, some of these are premium, but they do have free templates that you can use that are readily available right here. So to select one of those, you would just simply select the one you want to use and you would click the select button. Then, of course, once that template is loaded, you have access to all the features inside of the funnel builder. So GroovePages is giving you the access for free to everything for 3 funnels. So you're not restricted in what you can do, you're just restricted in the number of funnels. So once you have the template loaded, you have full access to everything under blocks. So you have all the blocks here, alert bars, call to action. So you can change those around. You can see here you have footers, forms, navigation bars. You have access to all the elements here. So different types of containers, different types of text elements. You can create lists, add buttons, different types of media as well. Different videos, carousels, forms, different types of devices you can use. You can embed your own code, countdown timers. You can create additional pages here to build out your entire funnel. Or if you wanted to create like a mini website, has access to pop-ups right here. You can do those. So you have access to edit everything. And for example, if you wanted to edit this text box, you just simply click on it. And you can see here you have access to change all the fonts, change the sizes. And if you want to, you can even click here a button called Expert Mode, and allows you to go in to do things like custom attributes, change the background, and global styles. Again, everything that you need is inside of this for free. All the features are available. It's just the limitations of the number of funnels you can build with your free builder. Again, the link is in the description to pick this up for free. I'm going to show you in a second the page that when you click on, that all you have to do is click register and you'll be able to access it for free. But again, once you create that, you get it exactly the way you want it, and you have everything you want, and you have all your buttons ready to go to promote your affiliate offer inside of your funnel, your new free funnel. You just simply go ahead and you click on host site with us. You can do it for free that way, host it on GroovePages over at GrooveFunnels, or you can publish it on your own domain. But in this case, we are talking about doing it for free. Then you just simply select the name, and then that's going to publish on your subdomain of groovepages.com. You go ahead and you click publish. That went ahead and saved. You can see here content is saved. So you can see that that was saved in the background, and now that is fully available at your subdomain, which again is all for free. We'll go ahead and we'll open that in a new tab, and you can check that out and see exactly how this worked, how quick it was, how easy it was, and again, how free it was. So there again is the live page that we just built. You saw how quick and easy it was. And again, you get this for free and you get access to all these tools. You just have the limitation of the 3 funnels. Of course, if you go back to GroovePages and you go back to your site here, by clicking exit and you go into GroovePages, you'll see now the 3 sites that I've created. I created a test site here, a test site here, and now I have 1 site left in my free account. So it's just that quick, that simple, and that easy. Of course, the link is in the description. When you click on that link in the description, it'll take you over to GrooveSell. So you'll sign up for GrooveSell, which is their affiliate platform. So you get that for free. But the big breaking news here is that GroovePages is also included for free. No credit card, no fees, no fees ever. It's just free. Again, the limitation is 3 sites that you can create. So that's 3 funnels you can create to get started today. It includes hosting, as you see right here. I created that page, and that is hosted on groovepages.com. So again, click on the link in the description, hop over to GrooveSell, get your free GrooveSell account and your free GroovePages funnel builder, and start building those affiliate landing pages for free. If this video is helpful, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget, 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that, subscribe to more awesome content, just like you see here on the end screen. More videos about GroovePages, also some training on how to do affiliate marketing with Facebook ads. So be sure to click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.